Hello guys, welcome back. So what I'm doing today, a simple video on fetching the data from Wikipedia to Google Sheet and then feeding that Google Sheet data into Tableau. Uh, how to do that, right? So I'm picking this small table from this Wikipedia where it contains Indian state-wise numbers for tiger, elephants, leopards, and lion. Okay, so I'm not copy pasting it. Okay, we need to fetch it dynamically in Google Sheet. Okay, how to fetch that? That's the first step. Okay, now just we need to copy this URL. Okay, come to this Google sheet where I've already created this sheet and just named it as wildlife population, and I'll show you. Okay, here first I copy the URL and then we need to press, let me make it big so that you see little bit. Okay, one second. Yeah, so import HTML. Okay, you see this import HTML and then use this URL, comma. The query is just type table because we are fetching the content which is in the form of table in the Wikipedia portal or a website. So here index is 1 or 2 or something like that. Okay. No need to worry, just type 1 and then just see whether it populates the desired output. Okay, and then just compare. This is not the data we are looking, so double click and then see for second table. Okay, yeah, this is what we wanted to see, right? So this is what we exactly wanted to see. Andhra Pradesh 62 tigers. So Andhra Pradesh 62 tigers, right? So what I'm doing, I'm replacing this URL again. I'm copying, and inside this before I am deleting this and pasting it. Oh, sorry, we need to include in double quote. Okay, if you feel the video is slow, please watch it in high speed. I'm copying this and coming here and pasting it here so that whenever the Tableau refers, it should read in a proper format, right? It should start from A1 and so on. Okay, proper row and column structure. Okay, now what I do, this is we have achieved. Okay, so whenever there's update in this number in this Wikipedia, it automatically updates in the Google Sheet. So now I want to open this Tableau. Okay, and then connect to this Google Drive, you see, to a server and connect, and which is free. Okay, which is free for everybody. If you have a Gmail and if you download the Tableau public software, it's a free of cost, so you can straight away develop like end to end, almost end to end reporting. You can do that. So now let me come to this Artha Gita is a main folder. So where I have a DB for Tableau Analytics, and then this wildlife population. Let me connect to that Google Sheet. So you see these two, like this one input details. If you refer, we created just to show you how we'll get that data, but we need in a proper column and row and column. So we need to use this wildlife population tab. Okay, so this is a wildlife tab we are using. So this is how you get to see the data. Okay, so initially it shows like a metadata and then here it shows a sample data. Here we have like only 24, but in case if it has huge data, it will show only top few rows. Okay, so get into sheet. Now today just I'm showing just as is. Okay, I'm not developing on top of that, but we can literally do like all kind of charts and anything. So let me just see this and the major names and then major values. So that's it, we have got everything. So this account is not needed. Let's take this out. So this is what we are seeing, and on top of this you can create a dashboard, apply filters, and then color chart. If you see here, like, no, these are enabled, right? I'll just quickly show you. I'll not like do any additional customization. Just see this how it looks. See, this is how it looks, and this is how it looks. Okay, lot of charts where the minimum requirements of the dimensions and measures based on this. If it matches, it creates. But we need to choose which is meaningful to us. So currently the aim was to just show as is data. Okay, so this is as is data. So you can visit to this. I'm going to publish this. Okay, I'm going to publish this, and you can visit to this URL and download. Then you can just work on this. So select artha for all @ gmail.com. Then password is okay. So let it log in, and then it will save this in the public. Okay, let me give, okay, wildlife population. Let me save. Again, give the authorization. Let's see, it is okay, it is publishing. Yeah, now it is published. So you see this one. Okay, so come here, and whenever there's a change you need to request, so that it will, the moment you request, it will go back to Google Sheet and fetches the new data. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something, and if you like, just comment like what you liked. If you want to know, if you want to know more, or if you want me to do like additional stuff, just to comment. I'll see the comments, and probably on a weekend or whenever I have time, so I'll try to make the nice videos. Thanks for watching.